Hi there, my name is Max Okura, and today I will be teaching you how to apply for an application on our website. First off, in order to apply for roles, make sure you have an ACS Foundation account. If you do not, click on My Scholarships and then click on Register. Here we have all the details in order to create an account. Fill in details accordingly. Here I have pre-filled the details to save some time. Once I have completed all the details, I click Register. Once your account has been created, you need to log in with the correct details. As you can see, there is 0 applications. You can either click on current scholarships or go under scholarships and then click on university scholarships. Here we have all the roles available on our website. I'm interested in this IT support role. Once I've clicked on the role, I can now see all the details of the role, such as scholarship amount, working hours, length, etc. Now that I think I am suitable for this role, I click Apply Now. Every application requires all the documents to be uploaded. This includes a resume, academic transcript, proof of residency, and a cover letter. If you are missing any of these documents, please upload them. Once everything is completed, click Apply. We have now returned to Applications page where you can see the current application. You can also modify the application to update any of the files uploaded. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope that you find a scholarship through ACS Foundation.